This was my bathroom storage situation. Flimsy shelves, zero style, and somehow never enough space. Sound familiar? Well, not anymore. Say hello to the GarveeHome over the toilet storage cabinet. Sleek, solid, and built to actually organize your bathroom without taking over the room. Let's take a closer look. This is a freestanding design, which means no tools, no wall mounting, and no stress. It fits neatly under standard toilets and holds steady thanks to its solid frame. Perfect for renters or anyone who likes options. Behind the double doors, you got adjustable shelves. So whether it's tall bottles, stacked towels, or backup toiletries, everything has a place. Clean, hidden storage that keeps your bathroom looking tidy. And yes, there's even a built-in toilet paper holder for easy access. One less thing cluttering your walls or the back of the toilet. The slim profile gives you maximum storage and minimal space. And that crisp white finish blends right into any bathroom style. It's sleek, modern, and practical. Everything a good bathroom upgrade should be. If you're ready to clear the clutter and add smart storage without the renovation hassle, the GarveeHome over the toilet storage cabinet is your go-to. Click the link below to grab yours and make your bathroom finally work for you. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.